seen ChatGPT write essays, spit out recipes, and just between us, maybe even flirted with your crush for you. Well, if that applies to you, let me tell you, that is just beginner pack. Today, we're diving into 5 real-world ChatGPT use cases that are not only surprising, but actually game-changing. Think. Lawyers using it in courtrooms, doctors diagnosing rare conditions, and yes, a guy who literally ran his business from Bali using just ChatGPT and his phone. This is not your average
ChatGPT wrote my emails
kind of video. So buckle up. Let's begin with our 5th one, which is AI-powered legal drafting. Let's start with the one that sounds the most boring, until it saves you 15 grand. Believe it or not, lawyers are also using GPT-powered tools to draft contracts, leases, even courtroom motions, which is faster and cheaper than ever. But it's not replacing them, it is supercharging them. Here's a real-world example for you. A New York law firm uses ChatGPT to pre-draft NDAs and job contracts. Then they run it through legal review software. The result? Prep time slashed from 2 hours to 15 minutes. That's dozens of billable hours reclaimed. Even wilder, a Stanford researcher, yes, you heard that right, used GPT-4 to pass the multi-state bar exam. So yeah, I guess it's safe to say that ChatGPT is legally dangerous. Next up at number 4, we have diagnosing rare medical conditions. Doctors are overloaded, I should know, because my parents are both doctors. And while ChatGPT won't be doing any brain surgery soon, it is helping crack some of medicine's hardest puzzles. Here's the case in point. In 2023, a mom fed GPT-4 her son's MRI notes, symptoms, and history. After exactly 17 specialists missed it, only ChatGPT nailed the diagnosis. Can you believe that? Tethered spinal cord syndrome. And a neurosurgeon later confirmed it. Now picture this in hospitals. ERs with GPT assistants flagging rare conditions or dangerous drug interactions instantly. This is not a future fantasy. Mayo Clinic is actually experimenting with it right now. At number 3, we have running a business solo and while traveling. People are now able to run businesses solo, just one person, thanks to ChatGPT. Meet Chris, an e-commerce owner traveling through Southeast Asia. He replaced his support rep, copywriter, and marketing assistant, all with ChatGPT workflows on his phone. Automated emails? Done. Product descriptions and ads? Done. Weekly newsletters? Done. For one, his revenue held steady. His workload dropped a significant amount. And the best part is, no hires were needed. He was just making good use of ChatGPT. And I have to tell you, this is not lazy at all. It's smart AI-powered leverage. And if this is already blowing your mind, just wait until I talk about the first one. At number 2, we have personal finance and tax optimization. This one is criminally underrated, using GPT for smart money moves, not best savings account stuff. What I mean is real tax strategy, debt planning, and investment deep dives. Here's one example. One Redditor gave GPT their income, expenses, and 1,099 income. It built them a tax plan using solo 401ks and SEP IRS, cutting their bill by over $6,000 a year. Another user, a landlord, had GPT draft a deprecation schedule. The CPA used it as is. Plain English, GPT helped them save thousands and stay IRS safe. But of course, you should always cross-check with a pro. And here's number 1. Number 1 is none other than therapy and mental health. This one is very, very powerful, and don't say you didn't use it for this purpose. I know you did. I use it every single day. Well, to start with, ChatGPT is obviously not a licensed therapist or anything, but I think it's becoming a mental clarity coach. People use it to reframe negative thoughts using CBT methods,
script hard conversations,
and write closure letters they'll never send. A TikTok creator used GPT to simulate a talk with her emotionally distant father. She rehearsed it, then had the real conversation. You want to know the result? A closer relationship. Some therapists even use GPT behind the scenes for session summaries, homework, and role play. Used with intention, it's really like journaling on steroids. So yes guys, ChatGPT is not just here to help you with your homework or school essays for that matter. It's quietly reshaping how we solve big problems, make decisions, and connect with each other. Among these 5, which one surprised you the most? For me, it was the first one because I had no idea how lawyers were making use of ChatGPT. Please drop it in the comments and please let me know how you use ChatGPT. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.